Welcome to our full guide on using FL Studio on your Chromebook. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know. First, let's open the Google Play Store and find FL Studio. This is your gateway to music production. Make sure your device meets the system requirements for optimal performance. Adjusting settings can make a huge difference. Let's explore the FL Studio interface together. Familiarizing yourself with the layout is key to a smooth experience. Next up, let's set up your audio and MIDI devices to start recording your music. Now, let's create a new project and explore some of the templates FL Studio offers. It's time to get creative. I'll share some basic beatmaking techniques that you can easily apply. Using virtual instruments and plugins can take your projects to the next level. Let's explore them. Finally, let's learn how to export and share your finished music tracks to the world. Thank you for following our guide. Here are some final tips to enhance your FL Studio experience on your Chromebook.